Forgiveness can free your heart, but it should never blind your judgment. Some people deserve forgiveness from a distance, not another opportunity to hurt you. Because when someone learns that your forgiveness has no boundaries, they may mistake your kindness for permission. And today, we'll uncover 5 kinds of people you should never trust with the same wound twice. 1. The person who repeats the same hurt. Everyone makes mistakes, but repetition turns a mistake into a pattern. An apology means nothing when the same behavior keeps returning. Forgiveness should heal your heart, not erase your memory. And when someone keeps hurting you in the same way, believe their pattern, not their promise. 2. The person who never takes responsibility. Be careful with people who apologize only when they fear losing you. A person who always blames others will eventually make you responsible for the pain they caused. Real remorse changes behavior. Excuses only change the story. And you don't have to carry guilt for damage you didn't create. 3. The person who uses your kindness against you. Some people study your kindness, not to appreciate it, but to discover how much they can take. They remember your soft heart and forget that you have limits. When kindness is repeatedly exploited, silence becomes self-betrayal. And protecting your heart doesn't make you cold. It means you finally learned its value. 4. The person who only returns when they need you. Some people don't miss your presence, they miss your usefulness. They disappear when you need them, then return when they need something. Never confuse someone's return with genuine regret. And sometimes, closing the door is the only way to stop being treated like an emergency contact. 5. The person who destroys your trust and expects instant access again. Forgiveness does not mean restoring the same level of access. Trust takes years to build, but only moments to destroy. Someone can be forgiven without being welcomed back into the same position. And self-respect begins when you understand that peace is more valuable than proving you're a forgiving person. Forgiveness releases the pain, boundaries prevent the pattern. Never give someone unlimited access to a heart they repeatedly damaged. An apology without changed behavior is simply another warning. Sometimes the kindest thing you can do for yourself is forgive someone and never give them another chance to hurt you. And remember, forgiving someone doesn't mean forgetting what they taught you. The truth is, you can forgive someone without trusting them again. You can love someone without allowing them back into your life. And you can release the anger without reopening the door. So forgive when it brings you peace, but remember what the pain taught you. Because self-respect is not holding a grudge, it's refusing to volunteer for the same wound twice. If this message spoke to your heart, like this video, comment, "I choose peace." Subscribe to Unspoken Truths for more deep psychological truths, self-respect, emotional intelligence, timeless wisdom, and silent power.